In this video, I will show how to create total list in Excel. So open Excel, then click on new and search this template total list. Then click on create. So here you will see easy to use item and cost, like here. Type your item name and type here cost. Item number 2. Similarly, item number 4. So easy to use, and guys, you can print, share, and you can use this template where you need to print this total list. Click on print. So as we can see, you can create this template easily in Excel. Just you have to modify and edit some data as your requirement. So thanks for watching.